Hi Rachel, I'm Lou from Staten Island. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite Thanksgiving leftover recipe, a turkey gumbo. In the cavity of the turkey I put some celery, some onion, but I also put some citrus, I put some orange. So when the turkey is done, I remove that, put it in the stock pot, including the orange. The other thing I do is I tilt the pan and I suck up all the juices that are in that pan and I wait for the fat to float up. I use the fat to make the roux. This is the start of the roux. While this is finishing up, I'm going to start the vegetables. Some onion, 8 cloves of garlic, celery and the peppers, the sausage. I'm adding 2½ tablespoons of thyme, a chili, 3 ounces of Worcestershire sauce. My secret ingredient on this is 4 ounces of bourbon. The vegetables are just about done. We are going to add them to the roux. I am going to add 4½ cups of turkey, some ground pepper, some salt, some green onion, and some parsley. Ladies and gentlemen, turkey gumbo from leftover Thanksgiving turkey. Everyone stay well and good cooking.
This is my friend Kelsey. Kelsey is going to get cooking with some leftovers herself, but I just want to say, Lou, I have a major crush on you. You are very close by. You're just in Staten Island. I'm inviting you to come to my kitchen and cook any day of the year. That recipe was amazing.